In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Reddit to Relevance AI. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Relevance AI website. If you haven't been there before, you can find it by simply typing Relevance AI into your search engine and clicking on the official link. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll likely find yourself greeted by a variety of options and features available. But today, we'll specifically focus on connecting your Reddit account. Now that you're on the Relevance AI platform, your next step is to dive into the Integrations and API Keys section. It's usually accessible via a menu, often located at the top or on the side of the page. This section houses all available integrations you can connect to enhance your Relevance AI experience. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar or a list of options. This is where you'll enter Reddit to filter the choices available to you. Upon searching, you'll see the Reddit option appear. Select the Reddit integration by clicking on it. This will initiate the process of establishing a connection between Reddit and Relevance AI. It's important to note that this step is crucial as it sets the stage for everything that's going to happen next. With that done, you'll want to click on Connect a New Account. This button lets you start the actual connection procedure. You're stepping into the exciting part, linking both platforms, thereby enabling them to collaborate for your benefit. After clicking on the Connect New Account option, you'll be prompted to click on Continue. This might sound straightforward, and it indeed is, but it's always good to double check that everything up to this point looks correct and all necessary permissions are in place. The next part involves filling in your Reddit account details. Ensure all required fields are completed accurately. Be accurate with your credentials and details here. The connection won't work if this step is omitted or done incorrectly. Following completion, another prompt to fill up additional fields may appear, ensuring all necessary permissions have been granted. When dealing with specific permissions, take your time to read through entirely what each permission involves. Don't rush this step. Once everything is filled out, you will encounter another Continue button. Click it to finalize the connection. This button acts like the green light, initiating the handshake between your Reddit account and Relevance AI. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully connected Reddit to Relevance AI. Now you can enjoy the benefits of integrating these two powerful platforms, enhancing your projects and workflow. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you encounter any issues or have questions, remember that support is often just a message away. Feel free to leave comments or questions, and I'll be happy to help.